Okay, so we were over there and we moved over here because it was very rolly, and these reefs will block it some more. Hopefully it works. The market, they're selling cupcakes. All this fresh fruit, vegetables. Long line of people. Baked goods. Meat.
Tell me this.
This is a Wednesday at La Fire Blue. It's pool time. Get to know some people. We had the chance to see Grenada's Carnival. It's a big deal for them, and they have celebrations for a week and maybe more.
What song like? We gonna do an eclipse around the rooms about. What's the song? What's the song? Peter Ben and Associates, Plymouth. Pick up Selector Vibes. Peter Ben and Associates, Fastback.
There were several opportunities to see and participate in Carnival. The biggest one a lot of people participate in or just watch is the Juve, or it's called Jab Jab. This is where you wear old clothes and they put motor oil all over you. We did not attend this one, but I did see a video where it was super crowded, and that is a big event for these people, because I think Grenada is the only one that still uses motor oil, while everyone else uses, I don't know, vegetable oil or something, which is probably a little better for you than motor oil. Later that day, there's a parade and partying. We didn't attend this either. We did go to the Pretty Moss Festival, which was the next day, where they have these beaded and feathered costumes, and they are vibrant, fun to watch. Many of these costumes are just beads and feathers and nothing else. This is where we're waiting for the bus. All of our bus people. J24 races in Grenada. We think it's a short race. That one one's going over there.
He's pretty smart to come all the way up here.
The others are over here.
One stack.
We did go and enjoy a local J80 sailboat race. There were 4 boats, and with each round of races, the crew changes boats or new crew takes over. We watched a little bit of the race.
Shopping district of St. George's. This is the spice market. There's all these open markets here, and this guy that runs this booth here brought us over here. He's going to show us where the chocolate factory is.
This is the chocolate factory, the House of Chocolate Museum.
Yeah, that's you notice I'm smooth, I'm not doing this. Right, this is for Grenada. But Grenada is a very smooth jazzy country. So you glide the toes like this, that flip the beans. That's why you do. So every time you dance, you flip the beans. So you can get balance and light. It takes off the residue of the beans and then it polishes the beans. So when Grenada presents us with the beans, all the big producers, Grenada gets the best price. Because for Grenada, the emphasis is on the quality of the bean. Quality bean gives you quality chocolate. Alright, so to get the chocolate state, you have to roast the beans to activate the ingredient. But I want you to touch this. Take a bean, smell, see what it smells like. If you never touch it before, touch it, take it.
5, 6, 7. Yes, we could look at that. So yeah, that would be the age of the dogs. But I think the thing, I would assume.
Ever smelled it before? No. Like, good. So you have an essay to write for the teacher. You have an essay to write on the teacher on the smell of cocoa. Now I took off the shell on the roasted bean. Most people don't use the shell. I had to try it. So I put it in a blender and grind it together, and I made tea. It tastes similar to Ovaltine or Carnival. Lovely flavor, and it's loaded with a lot of fiber and antioxidants just in the shell alone. Okay? This is called a cocoa nib. It has 40 to 50% butter and 60% powder in every nut. Okay? So I want you to take one try quickly. Take a nut, not too much gin muscles, I know you're very strong. Take your time and get the shell off and tell me what you taste. Okay, make yourself at home. Take your time. Okay, there's a bowl, you can rest the shell in. Alright, okay, take your time. Tasting of cocoa is very deep. Don't rush it. Tell me what you taste. You are eating roasted chocolate, I call it. Take your time. You will love me after this.
It's probably bitter, right?
Tastes like burnt.
Grenada wants to make you look beautiful and special when you eat. I tell you, we're having a good time. Okay, nice. While you eating that nut, you will know how special it is. You package it as a snack. What you are consuming it is a super food. So any outside activity that you do, I'm jogging, you go and you want to ride for because it gives you 8 hours of solid energy. And it doesn't break you down like coffee. It soothes you to sleep. So it is 10 times stronger than coffee, but it doesn't always coffee. Okay? So you go to the gym, you go hiking, you go skiing, you go any long distance activities you do, you're on the computer for long. You from this color to this.
So I got it.
Now this is Grenada. I can't speak anywhere else. This is Grenada 100% pure cocoa butter. This product has no additives. Let me go further. If you go for a massage and I'm not using this, the product is fake. Any problem on your skin, from stretch mark for those who haven't started, from stretch mark to sunburn, scars, eczema, bites, scrape, bruise, mosquitoes, scars from operation, dark spot, giving problem to move. Why? It's not fake. Bro, those who want to look like Marilyn Monroe, yeah, those who want to look beautiful skin. Those of you with the fashion or modeling, it tightens the skin. It gets way down on the inside and keeps the skin nice and healthy. 100%.
Smell like cocoa?
Tighten up a beard bit.
Yes.
I'm sold.
I know.
Can I take a suitcase?
Okay, that's it. While you using the butter, this is what just remained in the machine. Yes. This is the cocoa without the butter. So when you grind this down, you get hot chocolate. Okay, 100%, not Nesquik. Not Nesquik, this is 100% chocolate. No, you drink hot chocolate. We drink cocoa tea. All right, good. Yes, you drink hot chocolate, we drink cocoa tea. In the winter, hot chocolate will not help you. What is cocoa tea? This is hot chocolate, this is cocoa tea. Hot chocolate, for emphasis, cocoa tea. Alright, so I'm making the cocoa tea here. Now, when we make cocoa tea in Grenada, we add spices to the tea. Cinnamon, baby clove, maize, all these spices that detox your major organs in the body. This is why we say health start or beauty start from within. So when you consume that product, you are making your body and organ healthier. This will keep you warm in the winter because of the fat. Okay, so when you drink this, you're drinking the fat. When you rub with the butter, you must look better. You must look pretty. Okay? So we give you 100%. Let me say a little more about this. Cocoa prevents aging.
Yeah.
Cocoa prevents Alzheimer's. Grenada cocoa helps you with longevity. If you want to live long, you have to live in Grenada and consume this product, or you have to take all our cocoa to live in New York or wherever you live. Cocoa helps you to control your cholesterol level and your weight. People might be suffering from diabetes and pressure and sugar. All in one product. Helps you to live long, makes you pretty, keeps you sharp. What more do you want in a product? So I call it.
It does. You rub in your hand. No, it's not really. It's a moisturizer for your skin. It just feels smooth. I use it every day. That's why I'm so good. It feels awesome.
Yeah, we wonder if we get through our sand, it's actually go
Okay, this is the place that we actually took a dinghy ride to over here. This is the walkway in town. We thought we'd walk on that side, but there is no walkway. And all these boats, how do they're all like tied up to each other. So I wanted to come here to get some healthier things. Says they're open, but they're not.
Time when they did
Fred. Oh,
these
Fred.
the motors, and they
John. Callie. Dave. And you.
But they did rivets, and they found out the rivets were heating up and going.
Alright, so I should have shown the holes, I didn't. But I've got everything here. Now I need to connect the NEMA network. We drilled the holes and they're slightly off. So I moved this depth finder from over here to over here. Took away the old wind instrument, so now we have B&G and B&G. You can see they're slightly off there, but in the future I can take this guy out and shave the hole just a little bit, straighten it up if I need to. It looks like I have plenty of room to do that. And as you can see, I had to cross over my my shield for my cables. But that's all right, the screw in this side fit right down where this third screw is supposed to be. So that fit. In a second, we'll show you when we fire them up. So, here we are in, of course, Grenada, Woburn Bay. Look how bright it is up there. So we got the B&G in, and now I'm gonna go fire her up. A good sign. I don't have much of anything here to we'll have to go with depth finder and the compass because that's what's on the network. And I did pick up the wind instruments, but I need to go up the mast and run the cable down and install that. There we go, it's on compass. I think that's compass, yeah. Let's see if we can go find the depth on there. We got a compass there. We'll throw the depth on this one. There's the depth. Let's see if I get there. Depth and a little fish finder. The fish finder doesn't work though until I put that through the hole.
Beach party.
It's time!
We want to say thank you to all of our viewers who have subscribed and commented. We appreciate your support and feedback. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps us build our channel up so we can keep bringing you more videos.